What is up at Variable Nation? I'm so excited today to walk you through Amazon demographic information where we can turn this bland table into this awesome dashboard for you here. And before I dive in, I'm going to walk through the process of how to access the data within Seller Central and download it and use this tool as instructed here. So first you'll want to navigate to your Seller Central account and go into your main menu here, and you'll scroll down to brands and click on the brand analytics. It'll pop up a screen like this, and you have several across the top. You want to hover over the consumer behavior analytics and go into the demographics, and it'll pull it up like this. When you first go into this page, you'll have to select the reporting range, the year, the quarter, the brand, the category. You can break down as you wish here. And we do recommend going with the quarterly. Our tool is built around the quarterly, so please keep that in mind. Once you select all of these based on the instructions here that are detailed for you right here, you'll want to apply and then go to customize columns. Select all columns that are available so that the tool works correctly, and then click generate download. Once you download the simple view, you'll come in here and you'll see that it's pending here. You'll want to download the file to your local drive, and then you'll want to open it. And then you'll want to open it just like this. Pull it up on your screen. And very important here, you'll want to make sure you select below the header rows, just like this. Control C, copy it over, and then navigate to the tool, go into the raw format. I've already done this, but you basically want to paste it starting underneath the row into cell A2 here. Make sure you do not paste in the headers. And you can repeat this as many times as you want to. You can go back and request the demographics data for as many quarters as you want to look back. You can go back to 2023 and go back through all the 4 quarters, apply, generate, download, etc. And you can copy and paste as many of those as you want to into this tool. You can see here that we have just like 3 or 4 different, maybe some more, 5 or 6 here, different quarters. And I did that just for the demo of today. So once you've done that, you paste the information in there, you click over to the summary tab, and you'll see at the very top here it has the period covered, and you can select the starting and ending period as you see fit, if it's available. And then the data will populate, and it'll walk you through demographics by gender. You'll see some different comparisons here, both at the aggregate level and then over time. Obviously, if I'd have downloaded more date ranges here, it would show you more over time. And then you'll see unique user gross. You'll see it based on gender. And then very similar, we do the same thing on the marital status. And it'll show you ratios of single to married, repeat sales, breakdown by single to married, etc. And you'll go down very similar again year over year, quarter over quarter. And then the very similar process again for demographics by age group. And the next section is going to be around the household income. And then the last section here is on the education side. So lots of information you can pull from this. We commonly use this in terms of what to include or exclude in certain products, product detail pages, both on the videos and the creative assets. And do we want to speak more to a male or female? Do we want to put both male and female in the images? We generally recommend not doing that. If you have the ability to have a special variation or version of the product that is more female or male specific, we recommend creating 2 of the same products or similar products and having female images and having male images, or having married and as opposed to single. Get creative here. Obviously, keep in mind that this data is not 100% accurate in that I personally use, my family shares an account and it's tied to my wife's name. Both of us are in there. Not always the fact that I, the male, will select, the shipping address or the identity and vice versa. And obviously the account is registered under her, so it will most likely tie to female by default. And then her age, her income, etc. that is deemed in the profile. So to keep that in mind, regardless, it does show trends over time, and you will see We have products all the time that will be a little more masculine, or they have shifted or added new products, and you'll see it shift to a more feminine following, or you'll notice, like this screen right here, you can see that the females, it's a 1 to 1.6. You can see the females are a little more likely to repeat or subscribe. This is a demo data that we use from one of our brands. This is a CPG brand in the protein bar space, so you will see that. And then you can kind of understand on the chart here, you'll see that where the female was higher, and then now that the male is. Really cool insights here. Amazon used to show this themselves, a couple of years ago, and I'm not sure why they got rid of the view, so we recreated it here for you. And let us know how you think of the tool. If you like this video, please thumbs up. If you're not following us, please click the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can find out when we release new videos. Thanks so much. See you next time.